In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email in Gmail. If you're new to Gmail or just want a quick refresher, this is a simple process that only takes a moment once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can confidently respond to any message in your inbox. To begin, go to your Gmail inbox. This is where all of your incoming emails are listed. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once your inbox is open, look through your messages and find the email you want to respond to. When you found the message, right-click on the email you want to respond to. This opens a shortcut menu with several options that help you manage that email without needing to open it first. Using the right-click menu can be a fast and convenient way to work in Gmail, especially if you're handling multiple messages. From that menu, click on Reply. This tells Gmail that you want to send a response directly back to the sender of that email. When you choose Reply, Gmail automatically keeps the conversation connected in the same email thread, which makes it easier to follow the discussion later. It also automatically addresses your message to the correct recipient, saving you time and reducing the chance of sending it to the wrong person. Next, type out your email. This is where you enter your response in the message box. Keep your reply clear and relevant to the original email. If it's a professional message, take a moment to make sure your wording is polite and easy to understand. It can also help to quickly reread what you've written before sending, just to catch any typing errors or missing details. Since Gmail keeps the original email in the thread, the recipient will have context for your reply, so you usually don't need to repeat everything. Once your message is ready, click on Send. This will deliver your reply to the original sender and add your response to the ongoing conversation. After sending, Gmail will typically keep the thread in your inbox or move it depending on your settings and whether the conversation has been archived. And that's all it takes to reply to an email in Gmail. Open your inbox, right-click the message, choose Reply, write your response, and click Send. It's a quick and practical skill that makes email communication much easier.